All right. The Linus Exposes Studio Tour series continues. We have infiltrated the secretive studio of iJustine Izarek. Her name's as much of a mystery as the place she makes her videos. I don't think she's seen us yet.
I'm just doing some light reading.
Did you really pay, what is this thing, like $500?
It was only $300 and I bought 4 of them for every room that I would be in. I'll take that, thank you.
Like you didn't even try to flip it and get rid of it when you were done blowing money? Do you actually own 4 of them?
Well, yeah, and I also got 2 small ones and 2 big ones, just because, you know.
No.
It's
okay.
beautiful. It smells so good.
I'm not gonna smell it. Okay, this is something you have that I don't. A Streamy Award. You go. That's awesome. On the surface, this place is immaculate. But if you actually dig under or beside anything, the shit emoji! There's 2! On the surface, we've got a posh dog bed. The shit emoji's hiding behind the couch. Don't think I didn't see this. Christmas wrapping supplies? Getting ready for the holidays, are you? What do you need this many iPhone cases for? You're gonna be sitting here having a conversation going, oh well, whoever's sitting over there, probably a dog because it's a dog bed. Might not be liking the case I have on my phone right now. I need to change a different color.
Do you want my answer?
No. Giant TV. Is this 85? 77. Actually, everything here looks kind of on the up and up. You got a dog blanket, you got a dog toy.
Wireless charging for the new iPhone 10.
Wow. This is quite the collection of amiibos you got yourself here.
I do have every one of them.
Every one of them? Do you have 2 of some?
No.
No?
Okay, so
Okay, how did it?
I just ordered this because I was looking to see if ones I missed and I didn't think that I had. Oh my god.
Oh my god. How many more Waluigis do you have in here?
I think that's the only 2.
Yeah, you
There
think
are
so?
a few other duplicate. You missed some. These are mostly the Zelda amiibo because I had to separate them for when I was playing Breath of the Wild. So.
There's a secret bookcase. Speaking of duplicates, why do you need 2 rock bands? Most bands have 1 drummer. Okay, everything in here looks pretty on the up and up for, YouTube celebrity. We got some, sparkles and glitter and Christmas decorations. We got a charging setup with, you got some phones, some battery banks. You got a gigantic, oh God, what, oh yeah, it's a lightsaber, that's fine. This is cute. Is this just garbage or is this like a decoration?
It's for videos.
It's for videos, except that you just throw garbage in it.
That's for cupcakes.
No, you know what? I don't buy it. So I have to confess, I cheated a little bit because I've been here shooting a video all day. But I asked for some tools, and as far as I can tell, iJustine doesn't own any tools that aren't pink.
I mean, why would I?
If you were ever wondering what happens when a washed-up YouTuber does a book or audiobook and they don't sell any.
Well, they sent me all of those, and I'm like, who's gonna use CDs? What?
Is it any wonder he thought you were creepy?
No, it's not. I mean, I deserved the restraining order, to be honest with you.
Does YouTube know about this? Do you think they would even want to send you a play button if they knew it was gonna sit in the garage?
Well, I thought I would put it next to a picture of myself. Why not? Completely normal. Oh, that's a sad story. That fell in the pool.
A7S. Oh, it's dead?
Yeah, water damage.
Oh, drop cam.
Oh,
Is this all dead?
I'm not sure.
Put it down. Okay. So in here we've got some pretty normal stuff like, I don't know, a 150 terabyte storage server with a custom nameplate. That we set up today, so that's pretty cool. We had Ethernet wiring for it here, along with Ethernet wiring for it here, recessed power. Wow. Now, it is one thing to organize. Does this not feel like overkill labeling?
I had to professional organizer. They organized for me.
You know what? I'm wearing this for the rest of the video. Oh my God, there's more amiibos.
Oh yeah, I haven't opened those ones yet.
This is where you keep a gaming PC of this caliber. Oh, it has such a beautiful paint job.
It's actually incredible.
Who is this from?
It's from Origin.
Look at this gear.
Oh my God, I miss this thing so much. This was my first gaming PC.
Oh wow, this is like GTX 580s, I think. AX 1200i power supply. This is like the bee's knees from a few years back. They even did a custom name thing on the back for you. And this is how you repair. You know what? I'm calling the guys at Origin. I'm getting you in trouble. This is just labeled drone and it's empty. So your professional organizers didn't do a great job. This thing is cool. It's like for a console. Yeah, get more gift wrap. What is this? What is all this gift wrap?
I don't know.
This is like an obsession. You're like a hoarder. Need to open? What is that?
These are the things that I needed to unbox.
Well, no, I picked up on that. You needed to open them, but like what? Old tech. Okay, what classifies as old tech? Wow, this is an iPad Air. This is old tech? This is a 2015 MacBook.
I can't remember the password to it.
All right. I've had enough punishment. Let's get this over with here. Oh, hi.
Hello.
I guess I should have knocked. What the hell? There's more wrapping paper in here.
Wrapping paper.
This is beyond weird, dude.
Okay, to be fair, every time I need wrapping paper, I can't find it. So I don't order it on Amazon Prime now and it arrives in 15 minutes.
No, I do not buy this. Okay, we've got another Xbox One and the guest room gigantic, what is this, 55 inch?
55, yeah.
55 inch TV. This room too is wired up for you to do your wall mount TV here and your coax and your Ethernet.
And they have it down there too.
This house, and it's down there too. I'm surprised there's no wrapping paper in here though. You got your hand towels, okay. More TV mounts, more Ethernet, more coax, another recessed wall mount, more wrapping paper. What is this? Is this another gigantic TV?
Yeah, this is my nighttime TV.
This is your nighttime TV. How much TV do you watch, woman?
I don't watch any TV.
So far, by my count, yeah, you've got Yeah, I guess this is kind of typical. So many I can never find a lightning cable when What? The biggest Apple Watch graveyard of all time. What did you do to this one?
I dropped it.
So this is the OG iPhone. I forgot how thick it was.
I know, it's crazy, right?
Yeah, like, wow. This thing was really thick. Like, okay, 11 iPhones. Okay, maybe you don't necessarily have like a huge hoarding problem. You just have like a significant hoarding problem. Cool bathroom, bro. Great shower. You can sit down in the shower if you're tired. Why would you need Ethernet and coax in the bathroom? What the heck? Instead of moving into a place again with the intention of repurposing one of the bathrooms as a server room.
Well, why wouldn't you is the question.
I'll be honest with you, I'm a bath guy.
Me too.
I'm a bubble bath guy.
I'm a girl though.
Yeah, but oh my God, there's a dead bee in there.
Is there really? He's still alive.
Yeah, that's...
Oh, we're gonna have to put him out. Go, oh gosh, he's swimming.
What about this?
Oh, he's not with us any longer.
Wait, you knew this was there?
Yeah, I did.
You leave it there.
I'm not touching it.
More Xbox controllers?
I have a problem.
Why is this one here? If I find wrapping paper.
This is my knife drawer.
Many cute knives.
This is my tactical pen, because you can't travel with knives, so.
But you can travel with a stabber.
Yeah.
Is this another TV?
Oh yeah, this is my office TV.
And what else do you have in here?
Well.
Another Xbox One. Is this more Xbox controllers?
Yeah.
Another one!
Wait, look!
There's more! Is this another Xbox?
Okay.
Why is there another Xbox in here? So this is it. This is where iJustine videos are created. See, this is the dongle world that Joni I've envisioned. These dongles, this is the future, my friends. This is what Apple wanted. This was actually the reason that I came down here. We had to address this. I saw a picture of this on Twitter. This is Justine's system for storing her archived data.
It's really
This is terrible. Literally all of this is making its way onto that white and pink server that I installed a little bit earlier, and thank goodness for this. Which brings us to the last corner, where we've got a Hello Kitty guitar. Do you actually play?
I used to.
Wow. And more evidence of Justine's amiibo problem.
Yeah.
Guys, if you disliked this video, you know what to do. But if you liked it, hit the like button, get subscribed, maybe consider checking out where to buy the stuff we featured. Yeah, that's part of my standard outro,
Yeah.
but I don't think they could buy all this stuff.
No.
Like, this stuff is like crazy stuff. You know what, we'll just put a link to Justine's channel. You can go check out her channel down there. Also linked in the video description is our merch store, which has cool shirts like this one, and our community forum, which you should totally join.
I need a t-shirt.